Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 2.6 differentiation. Find f dash of x if f of x is equal to e raised to power root x minus 1. First of all, we know that derivative of ex is always ex. Derivative of e raised to power x is equal to e raised to power x. So we want to find the derivative of fx. So f of x is this is equal to e raised to power x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to, here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of f of x, derivative of e raised to power under x minus 1. So derivative of f of x is equal to f dash of x. Now derivative of e of x minus 1 is always e of x minus 1. Now we can see that this is not simple x, so we will again differentiate this term x minus 1. E raised to power under x minus 1 as it is, and derivative of under root x is 1 by 2 n x n minus 1, and derivative of minus 1 is constant, derivative constant is 0. E raised to power under x minus 1 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 become minus 1 by 2. So e raised to power under x minus 1 by 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2 become positive 1 by 2, and positive 1 by 2 is under root x is under root. So e raised to power under root x minus 1 divided by 2 under root x. This is our required solution. So f of dash of x is equal to under e raised to power under x minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power x. 2 into under root x,